Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. This is your science teacher Neeta Verma. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Nowadays, our chapter 11, that is air and water, is going on. So, let's continue the same. In our previous classes, we have studied that Earth's atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. Name these layers? Yes. First, troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third, mesosphere. Fourth, thermosphere. And the last one is exosphere. Good. Now, let's start our today's topic, water. We know that water is the most important liquid on earth. Almost 71% of earth is covered with water in the form of oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. But very less amount of water is potable. Potable means fit for human consumption. Okay? Although rivers, lakes, wells, underground reservoirs and rainwater are the major sources of water that we can use. However, the water drawn from these sources may not be in its purest form. Many substances get mixed in water and make it impure. Students, such substances that make water impure are called impurities, right? So, let's learn more about it. Children, the water that we get has certain impurities, though they may not be visible to us with the naked eyes. If we use this impure water, it can cause a number of diseases. It is therefore very important to make sure that the water we use is clean and free from impurities, right? Soluble impurities are those that are dissolved in water. As these are dissolved in water, so they are microscopic. Microscopic means not visible to the naked eye. We can see them only with the help of microscope. Salt present in seawater is an example of soluble impurity. In addition to soluble impurities, water may also contain insoluble impurities. Do you know what are insoluble impurities? Yes, impurities that cannot be dissolved in water are called insoluble impurities. Example, sand, mud, leaves, etc. We know that impure water is unfit for consumption. So, it is very important to purify water to remove soluble as well as, yes, insoluble impurities. Good. We can use different methods to remove impurities. So, let's discuss about them. First, sedimentation. We have already discussed that water present in nature often contains insoluble impurities which make it unclean and unfit for use. Sedimentation is a method of removing such impurities in an easy manner. If the mixture of soil and water is stirred and left undisturbed for a few hours, then the soil particles start settling down slowly at the bottom of the vessel. Students, do this activity at your home and tell me your observation. Okay? It is only when the water is clear that the process of sedimentation is complete. The solid impurities settle down at the bottom of the vessel at the bottom of the vessel sediments are called the sediments. That's why we call this process sedimentation. Clear? The water that collects over the layer of impurities formed during sedimentation can be separated by draining it into another beaker by decantation. Now, what is decantation? The process of draining off the partially clear liquid. Partially means not complete. After sedimentation is called decantation. During decantation, it is important to leave behind a small amount of liquid in the container. Why? In order to prevent the sediment from flowing out of the container and getting mixed with the clear liquid. Okay? Next is filtration. Example, straining tea into a cup using a tea strainer. Right? But children, can you tell me what is filtration? Yes, it is the physical process of separating insoluble substances from liquids. Okay? In this process, liquid containing insoluble impurities is poured into a funnel which is lined on the inside with a filter paper or fine cloth. The clean water passes through the filter, leaving all the insoluble impurities behind and is collected in a jar kept below the funnel. The filtered water doesn't contain any insoluble impurities. Filtrate is collected in the beaker and the insoluble impurities left on the filter paper is called residue. Okay? Next is evaporation. When water is heated, it turns into water vapor. This is called evaporation. Next, which is very important, is distillation. Distillation is a method of purifying a liquid. The liquid is vaporized, condensed and collected separately, as you can see in the picture. In this process, salt water is being heated in a flask. The water slowly starts evaporating into water vapor due to the heat. These water vapors, when cooled, give pure water with salt left behind in the flask. Is it clear, students? So, we can say that if we want to remove insoluble impurities from water, sedimentation, decantation and filtration are the process that helps us. Whereas evaporation and distillation are the processes by which we can remove soluble impurities from water. So, is it clear, students? This was all about our today's topic. Children, can you tell me why can't we go to school? Yes, due to coronavirus or COVID-19. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Children, can you tell me the full form of COVID-19? Yes, it is coronavirus disease of 2019. Very good. Now the question is, how does it spread? So, the answer is yes. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes or exhales. Children, vaccines save millions of lives each year. What is a vaccine? Yes? Children, vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. Okay? Do you know which vaccine is being used in India? No. So I am telling you. India has granted emergency use authorization to 2 COVID-19 vaccines. One is Pune-based Serum Institutes of India's Covishield. Okay? And the other one is Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited's Covaxin, which are being used in the government's vaccination drive. Students, what you have to do? You have to give your views on vaccine against COVID-19 or can we now dream of a COVID-free world? You can use any of the form like chart, diagram or picture illustration. Picture illustration means you have to draw a picture and along with the picture you will write about it. Okay? Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.